life happens. Being a parent is hard, and keeping up with everything, it's a lot to do, so ask for help.
Okay, so we are gonna go today and help a lady named Kelly, and she is a foster mom, a single foster mom who just needs some help. We're gonna go do dishes, we're gonna go do laundry, we're gonna organize, and we're just gonna do what we do best, which is make her feel better. So, you guys ready? Yeah! Yeah!
Exactly. All right. You know how to get the cord back in there? Yep. Nope. When people cough.
I've been praying and praying for just the help that was needed to get there. You don't want to ask your friends. You don't want to, they got a lot going on, and you don't want to trouble anybody. And that's the thing that I guess made me feel a little bit more comfortable reaching out to Hot Mess Express, because I didn't know them. Like, it's their purpose, right?
The goal of Hot Mess Express is to create an environment where women feel safe and they feel heard and they feel that they are not being judged and that they can be honest and open.
My friends have their own life and job and families to keep up with, but these are a group of women who just say, I want to come help. Let us do this for you. And I think that's what took the edge off of saying, I need help.
Dolls slightly larger. Okay, those are that LMG doll.
I am looking forward to coming out of this with being comfortable to be at home, like to enjoy coming here and not being stressed, because it's just another place of more work that's got to get done, and trying to dig out from getting behind.
How's it going?
In terms of getting involved with Hot Mess Express, go into it with the right heart, the heart to truly help other women. If you're doing it to feel good about yourself and how you touch your community, that's the right reason. In terms of those moms asking for help, when you feel comfortable, there's people here ready to help you. And so when you get to that point, just raise your hand, submit a nomination for yourself, or think of that woman in your life that she really could use a hand, and submit her name. I've since joining Hot Mess Express as a volunteer and now a recipient, I'm racking my brain about who's a mom I can bless, who can I reach, submit their name, and we can kind of help them if she's ready.
Hot Mess Express means everything. I didn't expect this to catch on as much as it has, and it's just so overwhelming to me to see how many people actually want to help, and to know that we have as many chapters as we do now in such a short amount of time. I know that we are at the beginning of something huge, and I am so grateful that there are other moms who have the same goal of just wanting to be there for someone else.
Creating those relationships with the women we help and the volunteers, it just creates such a community and connection for everyone that we've all been wanting.
Being part of this group has brought me this sense of sisterhood with other moms that I didn't feel maybe before that. I've had a village, but it's been oriented to foster care, and we all have full plates, so we don't have the time sometimes to go out and help one another, so it's amazing.
If you're interested in volunteering or would like to nominate a mom, please visit hotmessexpress.co.